What we're looking at is my AK-47. This is a plain Jane rifle. This is a Wasser 10 variant. It's Romanian. So far, it's been a very good, reliable firearm. A lot of people are going to have knee-jerk reactions when they see something like this. This one has a 30-round magazine. Some people would argue, well, you don't need 30 rounds to protect yourself. Okay, well, that's your opinion. Most people that tell me that, whenever I ask them about their experience and their expertise, they really don't have any. This rifle shoots a 7.62 by 39 rounds, intermediate cartridge. Bullet weight's around 122 grains. Some of them get up to 129. Bullet diameter's 311. It's comparable to our 30 caliber rounds. Ballistically, this round is similar to a low-end 30-30. And that's probably the deer killingest cartridge in the woods. A lot of people say, oh, it's semi-automatic. Well, what semi-automatic means is I pull the trigger one time. The rifle fires one time. For me to fire again, I have to pull the trigger again. Semi-automatic or self-loading means that the bolt slides back, kicks my old shell out, puts a new one in. It does this without me having to manually operate the gun. There are advantages to this. Number one, I can leave the gun on my shoulder and stay in the sights if I have to make follow-up shots. This gun is semi-automatic only. Okay, top position is safe. Bottom position is semi-auto fire. One shot for each pull of the trigger. On your military AKs, you have a middle position here. That's fully auto. To get those in the United States, it takes a lot of paperwork, a $200 tax stamp, and about a 6-month wait. After you get that, then you can legally convert your semi-automatic rifle to full auto. You change 9 parts out in it. Okay. Other than this rifle is no different than any other one. My bolt gun, far more dangerous. The reason being, this gun's good out to about 300 yards. My 30-06, I can hit you well beyond that. Okay, the military rates the 30-06 cartridge out to 1,100 yards. 1,000 meters. This rifle has front sight painted orange. Why is that? So I can see the thing. 1-point sling. Other than this, it's a box stock rifle. With the school shooting happened yesterday in South Florida, a bunch of people are saying, oh, we need to ban the guns. We need to ban the semi-automatics. We need to ban the high capacity. Okay. What are you basing this on? A bad man with bad intentions went into a place and shot a bunch of kids. It's not about the gun, people. This one has 2 functions. I use it for demonstrations and training people how to protect themselves, their families, and their loved ones. I also keep it loaded, put up either at my home, some other location where I may be at, or in my truck for the purpose of lawful self-defense. That's the only two purposes this rifle has. I have better guns set up to do other jobs. I have guns that do a much better job of pest control. I have much better guns that do a better job of hunting. Okay? Simple truth is, this rifle, for the most part, loaded, stays put up until I need it, either to take to the range to do demonstrations with, or in the event I need it to protect myself or somebody else. Okay? It's not a bad gun. I know it's a commie rifle. You know, you would think, you know, a lot of your dope smokers and hippies and yippies and yuppies would appreciate it. Okay? Simple truth is, guns don't hurt people. Bad people with bad intentions hurt people. Later on,